Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Camaro versus the BMW M4. We'll explore their performance, handling, interior features, and overall value. First, let's talk about what powers these beasts. The Camaro offers a range of engines, with the top-tier supercharged V8 delivering an impressive 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds. The M4, on the other hand, boasts a potent twin-turbo inline-six engine, producing up to 543 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds with its all-wheel drive competition model. Moving beyond raw power, how do these cars handle the road? The Camaro, especially with its one-lap package, utilizes magnetic ride control and a performance-tuned suspension to deliver exceptional grip and stability. Drivers often note its improved cornering ability and reduced understeer, making it a more engaging experience. The M4 counters with its adaptive M suspension and M Servotronic steering, providing real-time adjustments and precise feedback. Its carbon fiber roof also contributes to a lower center of gravity, enhancing overall driving dynamics and responsiveness. Now, let's step inside and compare the cabins. The Camaro offers a driver-focused interior with an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort features like available heated and ventilated front seats, plus a heated steering wheel, enhance the daily driving experience. The M4 presents a more luxurious and tech-forward cockpit, featuring a large 12.3-inch central touchscreen and a 14.9-inch digital driver's display. It also boasts premium merino leather upholstery and optional carbon fiber accents, creating a sophisticated yet sporty ambience. Finally, let's consider value and our concluding thoughts. The Chevrolet Camaro typically starts around $32,495, offering incredible performance for its price point, making it a compelling choice for muscle car enthusiasts. The BMW M4, with its starting price around $80,875, positions itself as a premium performance coupe, blending luxury with track-ready capabilities. Both vehicles offer exhilarating driving experiences, but cater to different priorities and budgets. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.